Okay, so in this example, we are going to learn how to use the Descriptive Statistics tool in Excel. Descriptive Statistics basically describes a data set. You're not making any conclusions about the data, but you're just simply describing it. Some of the measures that we make in statistics are measures of central tendency, for example, mean, median, mode, and you also learn a little bit about dispersion in the data set by looking at the range, variance, and standard deviation. So the Descriptive Statistics Toolpak will display results such as the mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, minimum value, maximum value, the number of variables, and so on. So we're going to learn how to use the Data Analysis Toolpak to generate descriptive statistics. For our data set here, we have two columns of data. This is the calls made data set, and this is the books sold data set. So in order to use the Data Analysis Toolpak, we're going to click first on Data. Then we're going to click on Data Analysis. From this list, you will be selecting the Descriptive Statistics tool and click OK. Here in Input Range, you must select your first data set. So here I am selecting the data set for calls made. I'm not selecting the label, hence I'm not checking the labels in first row box. But if you are using your label, then make sure that you select this box. So here I'm not using the labels, I'm just using the data, and that's what goes in the input range box. Output range is where you want to display the result. So I'm going to display it in cell B13. The only other check you need to do is the summary statistics check here. Now this is the result for the first data set, which is calls made. Now we're going to do the same thing for the second variable, which is books sold. So again, I'm clicking on Data Analysis, clicking on Descriptive Statistics. Here in Input Range, I'm selecting the data set for books sold. Again, same thing. In Output Range, I'm going to select a cell where I want to display the results. So in this case, I'm selecting cell D13. Make sure that the summary statistics is checked. So here we have just finished an example where we have generated descriptive statistics for our first data set, calls made, and descriptive statistics for the second data set, books sold.